yourself and tell me who. Say my name, say my name. Say my name is around you. Baby, I love you. Say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby.
All right, hey y'all, let's jump right into this video today because I am so happy, so excited about it. This unit was sent to me from CurlyMe. Y'all, when I pulled this unit out of the packages, I was so in love. I have never seen curls like this. I've worked with CurlyMe one other time a few years ago, and I remember the curls being just as beautiful as you just saw. So this unit does come pre-cut. It is a 100% glueless unit. It comes pre-plucked as well. No combs on this particular unit. You can definitely just pop it on and go. But before we get into the actual styling tutorial, all that great stuff, let me just show you guys how I bleach the knots because I was doing this unit 100% glueless. I love to bleach my knots. Well, I like to bleach them anyways when I have time, but I've just used the Wella bleach, the Clairol 40% volume developer. I mix it up to my liking. Everyone is different. Some people like really thick, like a really thick consistency. I don't. I prefer something kind of in the middle, a little bit thinner than pancake batter, I would say, because I've just discovered it helps to actually reach the knots versus just sit on the lace. So this is how I am looking. If you've never bleached knots before, I say start with your bleach in a 20 volume developer. It's gonna bleach, I believe, just a little bit slow, and I think that's what I used to start with. It's not all the same. 40% is going to bleach a little bit faster. Really, bleach is bleach, and you just have to watch it and pay attention. So I just go ahead and grab my brush. No, I'm not wearing any gloves because I don't have any. And y'all, honestly, half the time I just don't wear gloves when I'm doing this because I've just done it so much. But of course, do as I say and not as I do. You don't want to get this bleach on your skin. Yeah, so anyway, so I'm just pressing the bleach into my hair and you see me kind of wiggling it here. I'm just making sure those knots are covered and it's actually going, like the bleach is going over the knot. So when I look at the top right here, I shouldn't see any knots. So I let my bleach sit for about 15 minutes or so. Then I just washed out with purple shampoo and let it air dry a bit. So you guys, so this is a pop on and go unit. The curls are already beautiful. We're just gonna bring them out even more, doing this really quickly. This is an easy, quick, fast unit for you. So you guys see me just spray a little bit water because the top was a little bit wet, and then I'm just using some curl enhancing smoothie, and I'm going to make sure these curls start to clump together, and clumping will reduce frizz and also really define the curls, giving you some nice juicy ones. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my Cream of Nature mousse, and I'm just gonna take random pieces of hair and just kind of pull them together, twirl them around my fingers, and that's also going to create some really great definition. And a really big tip for you guys, don't touch the curls after you've set them. Just go straight to diffusing, and once it's about 80% dry or so, that's when I start to kind of bring the diffuser up and finish drying this unit, and the curls are nice and juicy. So for this unit, because we're doing a completely glueless install, it's got to be as flat as you can possibly make it, so that it'll look super natural. And honestly, I had no issues getting this to be super flat. You guys, as you can see, I just added a little bit of my wax stick and then used a little bit of my hot comb, and that was pretty much it. This is probably one of the best glueless units that I have worked with. Closure units, the pre-plucked hairline, the amount of hair that's at the closure too, it's not too thick. It just looks really good. It looks really natural, and it doesn't require really any work, you guys. This is super quick and easy, and look how beautiful those curls are. Now we're ready to go ahead and put this on. All right, you guys, so popping this wig on, I just took a little bit of the excess lace off. That's what I just did in the beginning. And then I'm just gonna pop this on using the the elastic strap in the back. And then I'm just gonna do 2 little swoops on the side, really lightly. I didn't wanna do anything too like super bold or crazy. And then I do like a little thing in the middle. I always do something like this just to break up like that straight line. I don't know what it is, but it's just personal preference. different. So I'm just going to use the Bold Hold Lace Gel, and this can be used as an actual like lace adhesive, or you can use it on your natural hair, just for your baby hair, your wig hair. It just has so many purposes, but I love to use it when I'm doing a glueless style, and I just put a tiny bit on my little edges, and then I'm just gonna swoop these suckers, lay them how I want them to be laid, and then finish up with this style. All right, y'all, so final touches on this super quick, super beautiful install that I did. I'm just gonna add some, what is this, concealer to my part and also to the sides, just to, you know, make it look a little bit more like scalp. And then I'm gonna cut just a few pieces around my face to break up that length just a bit. I feel like whenever you cut just a few pieces around your face, just framing it, it makes it look a little bit more realistic. And then I'm gonna go in with just my little pencil curler and just curl those top pieces, kind of sorta, that have a little bit of frizz to them because I pulled them out of the group. I did this just kind of sporadically all over for just maybe a minute. Nothing like super serious, y'all, just not wanting to create any more frizz and add any more product. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So stay tuned for the final look and my final thoughts. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. Let me tell you, I don't think my curls have ever come out this beautiful. The curls are intact, no frizziness, no nothing. Two things, you guys. So the wig is completely glueless. I didn't add any kind of lace, bond spray, anything like that. I do feel like it's pretty secure. I wouldn't go do anything crazy, of course. If you want to go run errands or whatnot, I would say you're okay. I feel like the wig is on, it's not going anywhere. The second thing, y'all, this is such a really good combo. This curl enhancing smoothie and then the cream of nature, the pure honey curling mousse. This is my first time using this combo together, and I don't think I'm doing anything else. It's taken me such a long time to find a really good curl combo. The curls end up super hard or crunchy and stuff, and I hate crunchy curls. I don't mind a hold, just not crunchy. And the hair is soft, you guys, but it's so defined. I'm so happy with it. I already like these separately, but together they're the dynamic duo. And also doing my curls on a mannequin, allowing the hair to dry and keeping my hands out of it was also key as well. Doing it all on a mannequin head and then just popping it on, you guys, that is the key. So those two products, not touching it so much, and you should be good to go to have the best, most beautiful and defined soft curls. That's a lot going on, but look, we got all that in one. So that is it. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. If you guys have any questions, comments, let me know. Of course, I'll put all the information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.
If somebody said, then tell me who.